Today we will learn Python Python functions. Today what you are learning Python functions. First we will discuss what is function, how to declare function. These two are first priority discussion. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameter into a function. A function. A function can return data as a result. As a result, a function can return as a data as a result. Next, creating a function. Creating a function. In Python, a function is defined using the def keyword. Which keyword? Def keyword. Example I will show you. Create a new text document. Function. Function.py. This is Python file. Inside the Python file, I am writing function example. Def my function open parenthesis. Next write print of hello from a function. To calling the function outside the method. To call a function, use the function name. To calling outside my underscore function parenthesis. To save the code, control S. Now we will try desktop. Python function.py. Okay, Python is not running defaultly. Creating once open IDLE tool. Copy entire code. Copy entire code. This is my IDLE. Create a new file. paste the code, save it. Function.py extension must be .py Python file we mentioned. Now let's run the Python file. Output coming or not? This is my output. This is my code. A function can be denoted with the def keyword. This is my function name. Whenever we declare functions, end of the parenthesis must be mentioned. Next print statement, we are calling the function outside the method.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.